Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can change your username on Instagram. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So let's start video. Firstly, open the Play Store and write here Instagram. Make sure that your Instagram should be updated. After updating, open it and you will see profile icon at the bottom. Click on it and you will see three line on top right. Click on it and then click on setting. After that, scroll down the page and you will see account center option. Click on it and here you will see first option profile. Click on it. After that, you will see there are two accounts. Because I am changing the username of Instagram, that's why I will click on Instagram. Then click on username. Because I want to change username, so I will click on it and write here your username. After changing, then click on done option. So in this way you can change your username on Instagram. So guys, if this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.